I'm going to briefly unpack the U.S. Supreme Court decision that happened on June 27, 2025 regarding birthright citizenship. I'll start off by saying that this decision by the U.S. Supreme Court does not actually address the legality or the constitutionality of the executive order about birthright citizenship. This case was about whether or not federal district court judges have the authority to issue nationwide injunctions. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court said that federal district court judges do not have the authority to issue nationwide injunctions. What this means is that if one district court judge issues an injunction, it will no longer apply automatically nationwide. So now, any injunctions that are issued are only limited to those who are parties to the lawsuit. So now the way that a nationwide injunction could apply is if the case can get certified as a class action lawsuit, or if they are state-led lawsuits that are filed under the Administrative Procedure Act. Now, this executive order about birthright citizenship is not going to take effect immediately. There is going to be a 30-day window. So what this means is that the executive order could actually start taking effect in jurisdictions where there is no plaintiff who is challenging it. However, class action lawsuits have already been filed against this executive order, and now it's a matter of whether or not they will be class certified. And that's actually really important. So the lower courts must rule on class certification. And if they are certified, then the nationwide injunction could be restored against the executive order from going into effect. As of right now, the executive order about birthright citizenship is not in effect, but a lot of it is going to hinge on what the lower courts are going to decide about these class action lawsuits. I'll be following this and keep you updated, so make sure to like and follow.